Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to resume your Google Ads campaign. I'm going to show you this for a single ad and multiple ads. For a single ads, just log into your Google Ads account and on the page menu, select ads and extensions. Now, right next to the ad, you want to go ahead and select enable to basically resume your ad. And if you're doing this for multiple ads, so same process, Google Ads account, go there on the page menu, select ads and extensions. Now you just want to select the check boxes next to the ads you want to go ahead and resume. And on the top of the table, select edit. Okay. Now here, you want to go ahead and enable all these ads. Okay. And then all your ads will have been resumed. Really easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.